Hey guys, what is up? Gamerboy789 here. So today, this is just an update video. So first of all I want to say is Ramadan Mubarak to all of you who are watching this video. Ramadan Mubarak. Hope you have a really nice Ramadan Mubarak, Ramadan. So, what I want to tell in this video is right now, I'm not filming videos because of Ramadan, but I am uploading an special unboxing video after Ramadan. I don't know, in June or July or something, but it will be a really special unboxing video, so stay tuned for that. And I'm not gonna tell what I am unboxing because it will be a surprise for all of you. So this is all I wanted to say, that I am doing an unboxing video, and yeah, I'm just doing a really cool unboxing video, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, Ramadan Mubarak. So keep in mind that this video will come after Ramadan, because not in Ramadan. So I don't even know what to say. I just said that this is an unboxing video. It's going to be really, really cool. I'm going to do it with my brother. So I'm going to do it with my brother, and that's going to be the first time you're going to see my face. Because I haven't done a face cam video or any skit which I would show my face in. That's why I am right now gonna make an unboxing video. You're gonna see my face, you're gonna see my unboxing video. So guys, it's going to be my first unboxing video, so if there are any mistakes in that video, please let me know. If you guys do like watching unboxing videos, so you guys must know what a real unboxing video is. So I'm just I'm gonna make an unboxing video. Comment down below that what do you think is what I'm doing wrong, and I'm going to improve myself. And yeah, if you know more about unboxing videos, so please let me know what have I done wrong, and I'll try my best to improve. Yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.